Hey guys, welcome back to a new movie. Today it's sunny and yeah, something strange happened yesterday. I broke the line from the big sail during sailing, so it was quite scary because all of a sudden the line broke, and I'm gonna show you today how easy it actually is and how good the facilities are in the yard. So yeah, have a look with me and see you later. Here we go. Here it is. The Silverwind. Woohoo! Oh, whoop. So you see the line there? It's hanging in there. Oh no. It's really stupid, but yeah, it completely broke. So I need to fix that. And the weather is quite heavy today, but we will manage to go there in the crane and fix it with the new one. Right, we're off. And I'm sailing, or I'm going to the end over there in order to swap the new line for the big sail. It is hanging somewhere there, as you saw before. It is quite a nice place to be because there are always nice boathouses, and yeah, everything looks fine. Look at this one showing off. Morning. Almost there, guys. There's one boat in front of me, so he goes first. I think he's gonna get gasoline or park his boat. So we're off to the crane. Right, there we are. There's the crane, and we need to go in there slowly. Okay, he's getting the machine ready, and then we will be towed in, sail the boat there under the things, and then it goes up and I go up there. I'm lucky because the weather is amazing. Okay guys, it's swapped, it's there, and now I'm gonna make sure that we guide it good downwards. That's helpful, but it worked out. Here's the broken wire, and you see this is just old, very old. So swapped it for the new one. You see? Oh my god, look at my face. It's so hot, but we managed to do it. Climbing up, swapping the broken line, and it all looks perfect. And actually, I fixed one of those lines were twisted on top. So if I raise the sail, then the big sail couldn't go up all the way. It was missing this part. So I swapped the wires around, and now it's freely going up and down. Alrighty, on to the next one, guys.